In this video, we're going to cover equation of the line, slope, and y-intercept of the graph. At the end of this video, I would like to check your understanding, so I prepared a task for you. Comment below your answers or questions about equation of the line, slope, and y-intercept of the graph. You will see this task again at the end of this video. Here we're going to find the slope, y-intercept, and equation of the line. The equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus b, wherein the m is the slope, that is equal to rise over run. The b is the y-intercept, where the line intercepts the y-axis. Let's start to find the slope of the line. So to find the slope of the line, we have to locate the points where the line cross the corner of the grid lines. For example, this point right here, here, and here. Now, if you're going to check those 3 points, it's cross the corner of the grid line. Afterwards, since the slope is rise over run, I would like to start at the bottom point, and let's name this as first point and second point. Now, from the first point, for the rise, we're going to up until we reach the level of the second point. We're going up 1, 2, 3. So the rise is equal to 3. Let's write it over here. 3 over the run. From this point, we're going to go to the second point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4. Now the slope is 3 over 4. For the y-intercept, it will be where the line intercepts the y-axis. Now, since this is your y-axis and this line intercept this point right here, which is the 3. So the y-intercept is 3. After knowing the slope and y-intercept, we are going to substitute it in the equation of the line, which is the y is equal to mx plus b. That will turn into y is equal to the slope, that is 3 over 4, then x, plus the y-intercept, or the value of b, that is 3. So this is the equation of the line. Here we're going to find the slope, y-intercept, and the equation of the line. So to find the slope, we have to locate the points where the line crosses exactly the corner of the grid lines. So this will be the first point, second point, and the third point. Well, actually, we just need 2 points. So for the slope, it is rise over run. From the first point, we're going to move 1 up until we reach the second point, or the level of the second point. So the rise will be 1 over the run. So from here, we're going to move to the left side until we reach the second point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. But then, since we move to the left side, it will be negative 4. So if you run to the right, it will be positive. If you move to the left, then it's negative. So our answer here is 1 over negative 4. Simplify that, that will be negative 1 over 4. And then for the y-intercept, it is the point where the line intercepts the y-axis, and that is over here. That is negative 2. So the y-intercept is negative 2. Afterwards, we're going to substitute that to the equation of the line, which is the y is equal to mx plus b. So it will be y is equal to m, or the slope is negative 1 over 4 then x, then the y-intercept minus 2. So here is the equation of the line. Here, we're going to find the slope, y-intercept, and the equation of the line. Now, the line here is parallel to x-axis. If the line is parallel to x-axis, the slope will always be equal to 0. Okay? Because if we're going to calculate for the slope, like y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, here the value of y is 1. So that will be 1 minus 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And 1 minus 1 here is 0. So if we divide that to the value of x sub 2 minus x sub 1, the answer is 0. So the slope is 0. For the y-intercept, that is here, this point right here, and that is 1. So if we're going to substitute that to the equation of the line, that will turn into y is equal to 1. Here we're going to find the slope, x-intercept, and the equation of the line, wherein the line is parallel to the y-axis. For the slope of this line, this will be undefined. Because if we solve for the slope, that is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, wherein the value of your x is always 2. So this will turn into y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over 2 minus 2, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And any value that you divide by 0 will be undefined. Next is the x-intercept. Now this line intercept the x-axis here in 2. So the x-intercept is 2. For the equation, it will be x is equal to 2, since it will not touch the y-axis. It's now time to check your understanding. Pause the video and comment below your answers or questions about slope, y-intercept, and equation of the line. And always remember, math is more than a procedure. It's a powerful habit of thinking.